I'm Andrew, and this is my project, or my science project, and I did on paper airplanes. So, got my abstract and data collection here. So, what I did for my project, essentially, I just saw how far I could throw paper airplanes, pretty much. Like, obviously, I've got my legend here, what the abbreviations mean. I've had 7 trials for each paper airplane, and I had 6 different materials. So what I did for this part, for design number 1, was exactly the same for all paper airplanes, and it's just that obviously they were affected differently, although these 3 were very consistent and these 3 were very consistent. So actually it's kind of similar, but either way, these design ones were all the same, but due to different materials, obviously the scores weren't the same. Also, over here, I've got other designs. I've got a design number 2 for every material, and I also have design number 3 for printer paper, just because, it's kind of like the main material, I suppose. And all 7 trials, these didn't go as far, because they're they're just different. Design number 1 is really good. It's just simple, but we've got, and then I also have, um, every design, I also did it where I put one paper clip on them. And what that means, I just put, one paper clip on it, obviously, and most of them went shorter. Newspaper was the least affected by it. Newspaper 2 was the most positively affected. 3 of these, construction paper, newspaper, and cardstock, were all positively affected by this. And they were the only 3. The other ones were negatively. And then I have charts and graphs. Obviously 7 trials, so there's 8 bars also because of my average, and distances flown, trial number, just labeled that. I've got, here's my graph on design number 2s and printer paper number 3. These are paperclip stuff. Here I've got pictures. This is just where I threw my paper airplanes. It's the empty space in Ingersoll Rand. And then here in my analysis, these are all my paper airplanes. These are all the design ones and all the different materials: printer paper, construction paper, magazine, newspaper, cardstock, paper bag, design number 2s, and obviously different, and printer paper number 3 up there. And then in my conclusion, I've got this picture. This is just these planes' personal bests, not their averages. But, and obviously in the caption just shows where their best was. And that's my presentation. Thanks for watching.